Instant onion rava dosa with onion tomato peanut chutney. Today I would like to share both crispy as well as soft rava dosa. This is a popular South Indian recipe made with semolina rice flour, and instead of maida I have used wheat flour. This dosa mostly served in morning breakfast with any chutney. Along with this I am also going to share tomato peanut chutney. Hey guys, this is Ruhi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Som for a complete home. So let's quickly get into a yummy and also delicious recipe. Here in a bowl I have taken 1 cup of rava or suji or semolina, 3 tablespoons of wheat flour, 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Instead of maida in this recipe I am using wheat flour. To this add salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon pepper powder, finely chopped coriander and curry leaves, finely chopped green chili, and this is optional, and 1 inch grated ginger. And this batter can be prepared in just 15 to 20 minutes. Now to this add 2 glasses of buttermilk. First add 1 glass of buttermilk and mix it without any lumps. And once we mix this batter properly without any lumps, we need to add 1 more glass of buttermilk. For this rava dosa, the batter should be very thin, which is crispy rava dosa. And also to this add hing or asafoetida. Give it a good mix and rest this for 15 to 20 minutes. Until then, let's prepare onion tomato peanut chutney. In a pan, add 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies and 2 red chilies. Saute this for a minute. You can add chilies as per your taste. And also to this add 2 tablespoons of peanuts and fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 medium size onion and saute this until they become transparent. Now add 1 medium size or half cup chopped tomato and some tamarind. Cook this until these tomatoes become soft. Close the lid for a minute or until these tomatoes become soft, and as you can see, these tomatoes are cooked well. Turn off the flame and let it cool down completely and transfer this in a mixture jar. Add salt and water as required and grind this into fine paste. Now take out in a bowl and to this add tempering of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves and with some red chili. That's it, our yummy onion tomato peanut chutney is ready to serve. Let's quickly start our rava dosa. On a hot tawa, add 1 tablespoon of oil and just wipe it off with tissue. Spread some finely chopped onions on the tawa. And this prevents our dosa without sticking to the tawa. Now mix batter once and pour this on a hot tawa. To be frank, it will take so much time to prepare these rava dosas. The flame should be medium to high. Add ghee or oil on top of this dosa. For crispy dosas, we need more patience until this cooks completely. That's it, our crispy onion rava dosa is ready to serve. Enjoy this with yummy onion tomato peanut chutney. And now let's see how to prepare soft onion rava dosa. Repeat the same process for each and every dosa. Spread finely chopped onions on tawa and pour the batter. Once this dosa is slightly cooked, to this add oil or ghee. For soft dosas, it will not take much time. Once this is done, just flip it to the other side. Cook for a minute and serve this immediately. And friends, try this recipe once and post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.